Good day, my fellow people. I want just quickly talk on some kind issue where they vex me. Understand? I not come here come speak grammar. Make I just talk on sharp. You see this our presidential aspirant Omoyele Sowore. You see, it dey pain me when I see say some people they criticize that man. It dey pain me when I read so many negative comments about him. People they criticize him. So I just get one message for those people when they criticize Sowore. If you cannot come out and challenge this bad government, if you cannot come out and contest against this bad government, then shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up and let Sowore be. I don't understand Nigerians, so sure. Who does this thing now? This person commands he want fight for us. People they criticize her. They call her all sort of names. I say Sowore is a blackmailer. Sowore is an antichrist. Sowore is this. Sowore is that. And people, my friends, people who they ask me say, "Have you seen this one? We just say campaign for Sowore. Just like Sowore. How much they pay you, my dear? I not be politicians. I'm not into politics. Since when they bomb me, I never vote for anybody once. I never see anybody when my man carry for that Nigeria say me I go vote for him. Lie. I know they concern politics. But when I started to watch Omoyele Sowore video on YouTube, he never will come and say one be president. When I started to watch a video, now I just begin I just like his kind of person. I like everything about him. He's an action man. I never see person like that. You understand? So he got a pay me say for our fellow Nigerians we're supposed to support this man take our country back. Now they see they criticize her. Nigerians now so not like suffrage. I don't understand. Now so not too like suffer for that country. Not just to like suffer. When I know they celebrate independence, there is no fucking independence in Nigeria. Nigeria never gain any independence, even if they don't free from the hands of colonial masters. They are not free. They never free from all these politicians' hand. They are still slaves. All these politicians, if I they get Nigeria, we see they live as slaves for our country. Now I know they celebrate any fucking independence. Nigeria will celebrate 2 days without 2 days electricity, without power failure, without say they're not off the light. No way. They're not even celebrate 2 days. Only 2 days, oh, just 2 days. Celebrate 2 days constant electricity. Say that NEPA no even take her in no day, nothing like that. Now they say now they celebrate independence. They criticize person. We say you know fit come out. You know fit come out. Can't tell this government say what they do so now they challenge there. You cannot come out and contest. Nothing. You just sit down, just they criticize person. Now so now like suffer for that Nigeria there. Now cause all these politicians they don't cook na brain for native pot. I be waiting. I don't understand. Which kind of rubbish be all this one? I don't understand. They cook na brain. They cook na for native pot. We be say the only two I all know for that Nigeria na APC and PDP. APC and PDP. All this nonsense have to stop. Stop criticizing that man. That man is as if we don't see things for that Nigeria. No freedom. There is no freedom in Nigeria. You go SARS go harass you for road. You go see SARS go they beat citizens anyhow. They use go they flog them. They tell them army go do their own. Army go they they maltreat citizens. They tell them that they do frog jump. Enter potopoto begin they swim for potopoto. Police go do their own. Just as in Fulani Esme go do their own. Boko Haram go do their own. They massacre people and they say not gain independence. Which kind of more independence be that one? When I see they live as slaves, then the thing they switch to now. Una like her. Nigeria not be country. Support Sowore. Join the moving train for Christ's sake. Support this man. Stop criticizing him. Since you cannot come out and contest, then stop criticizing those people that are coming out. Showore is this, Showore is that. Nigerians una as if una see wetin you want save una no dey like that thing. Now the one we just dey kill una, they suck una blood, Now that one na the magnet they gone. Now that one na like, the one where they kill una, na like. The one we just dey kill una, na just like. E be like say during the time of Noah, where God destroyed the earth with water. If like say na Nigerians be the set of people when they exist that time. Yes, not there. Because Noah announced through say God want destroy the earth with water, may they enter the ark, may they forsake. All of them begin they condemn her. See this one, you don't know what they do. They build ark, you don't know what they do. Now the animals suffer enter the ark. The animals were saved. Why all those humans they perish? Now Nigerians be the set of those of people of that time during the time of Noah, because they like what you want to kill them. That's when they kill them. Then they prefer. Now what you go save them? Showore is this. Showore is a blackmailer. Showore is a scammer. Showore don't scam you out. No, between Showore and Buhari, who be scammer for you? Who be scammer? Since president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, I say no get money, they buy nomination form. Then mumu people still go they donate, they buy form for her. Who can be scammer for year now? Who is the scammer? Who is the scammer between Showore and Buhari? In fact, una not just know where they pay una. Nigerians una not know where they pay una. See as country don't mess up. See as country be. So they borrow money from one country to the other. Borrow. They don't turn borrow pose. That very soon the white people go take over Nigerians, begin they use all of them as slaves, because they don't borrow follow everywhere. Nah, see the show they don't come out now. Nah blackmailer, nah scammer, nah this, nah that. Nah no way, people are sick. You are sick. If you are not sick, you will be saying those trash. They are sick. Support better thing, support good thing for Christ's sake. You just in Nigeria, person you they suffer, they suffer. You go there your room, mosquito no go let you sleep. Mosquito go for person here. You go come outside, generator noise go they disturb you. Nothing just there for that Nigeria. If you tell Nigeria, na so malaria, fever. Na person go just when I dey Nigeria, na so malaria they treat. Just they treat malaria, they treat fever every 2 weeks. Malaria drugs, fever drugs. Because the environment is messed up, mosquito everywhere. You come outside for room, na poto, you they follow you fall like this, you they swim for erosion. All those things they cause fever, typhoid fever, malaria fever. When I try to come out from Nigeria, I don't know it to be malaria again. I just thought malaria is a normal thing, but when I left Nigeria, I am not sick of malaria again. I know they take drugs. I hardly take drugs. You people are still living as slaves in Nigeria. Stop criticizing Showore. I don't like it. Stop criticizing him. But I've not met Showore before. Showore don't know me. I don't know him. I never get interest for any politicians before, because I don't see better people for that APC and PDP. I don't see. I know they support. I know they vote. But when Showore come and I say, this one, me I go stand for him. I tell my family, I tell them, God, Mona collect my PVC, Mona vote for Showore. Forget about APC and PDP. People they say, and the one way they pay me, that they say, who be Showore, that small boy, may go start as a councillor, may go start as a local government chairman. Una no get sense. Who councillor help? Who local government chairman help? Who they help? We need an action man to be our president, for Christ's sake. They talk about councillor. Showore is the man. As in, I don't watch a video tire. Now, no nonsense, man. You know they tolerate any rubbish. If you say yes, yes, now yes. If you say no, you know now no. Now Showore go feel. You see, we need an action man to be our president. That if action man not there, Nigeria will continue to be messed up. Because now when the head they control the rest parts. You understand? If any governor will say they allocate money to a state, say for development, and within 6 months that governor there is no development, Showore I go feel caution and go call and say the money where you supposed to do this thing, where is the project? Oh yeah, vomit the money. If now for West Fargo Bank for USA, they go put the money. They go bring and come out. If now for the Sweden, all those their foreign accounts that they pack money, they put. They go vomit and come out. We need an action man to be our president for Christ's sake. Shall be because that was councillor. Who councillor help? All those na councillor, councillor where in Nigeria, all those local government chairman. Who they help? We get what they don't do. You get what they don't do. They give our local government chairman money make repair. Only one road for Wasota. He embezzled the money, 5 million naira. He choking now. They say me go start for councillor. We need an action man to be our president. Nigeria is messed up. Nigeria is messed up for Christ's sake. Nigeria is collapsing. Those of now when you see they support APC and PDP, they don't cook una brain for native pots. That thing is not ordinary. I swear, it's not ordinary. That one not be ordinary. This all these people here they happen for Nigeria, not be ordinary again. No, we need deliverance. Those people, Nigerians, the citizens of Nigerians, they need to be delivered. They need serious deliverance. So, how can you be supporting government who just borrow money? Wait, you don't get what they use the money they do. They'll go borrow money, finish or share among themselves. No projects. You don't get one hospital when they say that they build. You don't get one university. You don't get a road where they construct. You know nothing. Just they borrow money up and down. They share among themselves. They still come and they say, hey, say Buhari, say this, say that, say this. You people are slaves. You never gain any freedom. I'm not stop to celebrate independence for that fucking country. I'm not make me vex. You people are still living as slaves. Yes. That's why you see all these old men that they recycle themselves. The thing they pay me and they vex. Person go come out for Nigeria, person go come out for governor. He go enter a minister or senator. From there, go turn senate president. From there, now president. Shoo, people go see they say, hey. It just be like saying, now they all get the country. Now they just get the country. Every other person that sit down and look. Just person that they get the country. From minister, see article when come out. People see they say article. Article where don't be vice president. Don't rule as vice president for 8 years. Don't be 8 years. 8 years begin. They primary 3 or 4 for 8 years. You don't rule as vice president. Now you don't see come out again. You don't chop money there. You don't see come out again. You say you want to be president. More people go see the article. See Saraki where don't rule as governor for 8 years. He rule as governor for 8 years. He not do one. He go be senate president. From he don't chop money, chop as governor, chop as senate president. Now he still come out again. He wants to go for president. More people go see the hey Saraki na this na that. People like say they I know that some they worry the Nigeria. I don't just get it. True. And these people just they recycle themselves. That's why they say the rich are getting richer, while the poor are getting poorer. They are just recycling themselves. Well, Nigerians just sit down, they look, they hear them, hey. May they get hurt. May they get hurt. May they go rest. We need new people. We need new faces. We need somebody like Omoyele Sowore, action man, vibrant man. I know they watch video. See, the guy is very intelligent. He knows what it takes to move Nigeria. Those of now when they say in not rich, when they criticize them, yeah, na small boy, na this, na that. A pity for now. Now that's the way they kill you, nana they like. Una must vote for Sowore. Sowore is our next president. Whether you like it or not, you must vote for Sowore. Enough is enough. Our mood don't do. You must vote for Sowore. Muna shut up on a man. Muna not they criticize and make it. Shut up your mouth and vote for Sowore. Vote for AAC. Vote for AAC. Let's see the difference. Mona shut up. Mona not they criticize that man again. Shut up and vote for him. If you don't want to vote for him, get out. If you cannot come out and contest, get out. Shut the fuck up. You not fit do anything. Nobody knows Sowore. Who knows Sowore for being? Una sabi carry rumor, but not sabi they tell people about good things. If you tell your friend about Sowore, your friend tell your friend, that one tell you, like that, the news all they go, but if not go do that one, but it's not to carry rumor now, it's not go cast and follow everywhere. No, Mona not criticize Sowore again. Don't criticize him. AAC, take it back, action. Sowore for president, whether the devil like it or not. Those are the way they say, it can never happen, it can never work. God go surprise all of you now. those one wey dey say na small boy, na this, na that, na a party, na small party, blah blah, dey talk rubbish. PDP and APC na dey get Nigeria. Una no dey use una head. Na dey get Nigeria. Na dey create Nigeria. They no commit Nigeria for them. They no commit Nigeria for them. See Barack Obama now, he was once the president of America. Now he's no longer the president of America. They vote those people there for Christ's sake to lead. Their time will go expire. They go collapse from there. Nobody is the owner of Nigeria. Nobody get Nigeria. Vote for the right person. Forget about tribal or what I want to call it. Forget about tribalism. Vote for the right candidates where you know say yes, you go fit deliver. Say country no light, nothing, no good road. Now see they get mad, see they see mad, they talk. Nonsense. I dey vex. Showore for president. Every other president na lifeless. Showore now I know say be the president of Nigeria. Every other president na lifeless. Na me talk and see my name. Na my name na beauty. I no dey fear face. Every other president na lifeless. Nonsense.